As soon as you add data to any prospect, the status, which we can see here, changes to new. The system is set up, or can be set up, such that as soon as status changes to new, it creates a deal for this prospect. A deal passes through three phases. First, it's a prospect, then it's an opportunity, and then it's a fully fledged deal, which you might want to start forecasting for your sales forecast. So this is a prospect, and as soon as you have a deal open, even at the prospect stage, a checklist appears over here telling you the things that you need to do, you need to work through. This is an intelligent checklist. It's appropriate to the phase we're at and so forth. This is taking us through a sales process of 3 stages. We're in stage 1 here, which is called awareness, and these are the jobs that we need to do. It's already checked off some things because it can see that we've already done them, set the ABC group. It's saying you still need to find a target contact. Let's have a look at the contacts. It's looking for a first name in this primary contact. That's what it needs. We could do this by doing a LinkedIn search, clicking this button here, or doing a company's house search, for example. Or another way of doing it is to click this Get More Emails. So let's have a look at what happens there when we click that. It can find a bunch of emails for us. And here it's found a series of people that might be, one of them might be the one that we want to contact. We can check their LinkedIn profiles here to see which one we want. Let's imagine that it's this person down here, Amanda, is the one that we want to contact. And so we can merge her data into that top one, which is the phone number. Now our primary contact has a name and an email and a phone number. If we go back to look at the checklist, certain things have been filled in. We've already done these jobs. It's now got 2 tasks open for us. This task here is to go into LinkedIn and do a little bit of research. If you're not quite sure what to do and you need a little bit of help, click the Resources tab and you will find a document that comes up. Here in this case, it's a video telling you about the thing that you need to do, LinkedIn prospecting. Down below here, you can see a link to some other documents. Here we've got a whole list of other documents that are relevant to this prospect. Specifically, you can see it's got a cheat sheet about how to compete against competitor B and how to sell consulting services, because we selected those 2 things to customize this deal over here. It's competition, competitor B, and the product is consultancy. Had we chosen something else, some different documents would appear here. So we've got the checklist, we've got the resources, and the final tab here are the qualification questions. As we progress through this deal, through its various stages, we will start to be able to answer some of these questions. You can see how answering in the positive these questions will tend towards a win. And as we answer some questions, yes, or maybe a 4 for this one, you will notice down here the probability is being calculated about the probability of us winning this deal. This is based on an intelligent analysis with variable weighting on the answers to each of these questions. It has used machine learning to understand which questions to give more weighting towards in order to predict a win or a loss. So this becomes a very, very powerful way of forecasting, far more accurate in my experience than most sales managers use in working out which of their various deals are likely to close based on a standard analysis, standard qualification questions. This is extremely powerful for the forecasting aspect. We could choose the next task on our list, which is to send an email. If we were to click that, we get the send email pop-up. And here we can simply choose to send a sequence. Here I have a sequence called introduction. It sends these emails. It's looking for some custom text to put in the first email, and it's now sending those. It's sent the first one, "Hi Amanda, my custom text," and then the rest of the email is there. And then we've got "Hi Amanda" and the other emails scheduled to be sent. That's all done. Fire and forget. I've now sent my email sequence to her. That has now been ticked off, and now we can add this prospect to the call queue. We'll look at that separately, how the intelligent call management works, because that is an extremely powerful function within ProspectSafari to help you save time and spend more time selling.